Here are 4 big ticket items that you don't want to miss on your first or next investment property. They are your roof, your foundation, your windows, and your HVAC system. These things, if you miss them and they are end of life, can cost you a ton of money. So what we always did when we were negotiating our purchases, we would obviously negotiate the purchase price, let's call it $200,000. We would always have a home inspection. But the big things that we would always negotiate on were these 4 major items: the roof, the windows, the foundation, and the HVAC system. If they fail that close to the purchase date, don't miss these 4 major items. This will save you thousands of dollars per deal if you miss it. If you like this tip, make sure you follow us, and don't forget, for every new follower, we will be donating $1 to Operation Underground Railroad, who is on a mission to help abolish child trafficking. Let's go.